Good evening, old as gold family. Did you know that pairing eggs with certain everyday foods could actually harm your health? Especially after the age of 65, eggs are packed with nutrients. But when combined with the wrong foods, they may trigger inflammation, block nutrient absorption, or even raise the risk of long-term illnesses. In this video, we will uncover 3 unhealthy food combinations with eggs that older adults should avoid, along with 3 smart pairings that can boost energy, strengthen bones, and support heart health. Stay with me until the end, because I will also share the healthiest cooking methods to keep eggs beneficial while avoiding hidden risks. As we grow older, our bodies react more strongly to how foods work together. Digestion slows, bones weaken, and the risk of chronic disease increases. This is why it is important to know not just what you eat, but how you combine foods. Eggs can be a great ally. They are full of protein, vitamins, and brain-supporting nutrients, but if paired with the wrong items, they can cause more harm than good. Let us begin. Number 1. Eggs with white bread. This is a classic breakfast: scrambled eggs with toast. But if your toast is made from white bread, it is worth rethinking. White bread is produced from refined flour that has been stripped of fiber and nutrients. It digests quickly, causing a sharp spike in blood sugar when combined with eggs. This turns a healthy meal into a possible risk for your metabolism. For people over 65, such spikes can be dangerous, increasing the risk of insulin resistance, inflammation, and worsening issues like arthritis, heart disease, or type 2 diabetes. On top of that, the quick crash that follows can make you feel tired, unfocused, and hungry again. A better choice is to replace white bread with sprouted grain or whole grain bread. Even better, pair eggs with sweet potatoes, steamed spinach, or avocado slices. Fiber-rich foods that slow digestion and help maintain steady energy. Number 2. Eggs with soy products. A tofu scramble, soy milk, or a soy protein shake may sound healthy, but when eaten with eggs, they can reduce your body's benefit from the meal. Soy contains trypsin inhibitors, natural compounds that block the enzymes needed to break down proteins into amino acids. Eggs are a complete protein, but if eaten with soy, your body may not fully absorb them. Also, egg whites contain a protein called avidin, which binds to biotin, a B vitamin important for energy, hair health, and nerve function. Eating soy with eggs can further limit your body's ability to take in this nutrient. As we age, digestion slows, and this mix can cause bloating, tiredness, and poor nutrient absorption. A better choice is to have soy-based meals at a different time, such as lunch or dinner. In the morning, enjoy eggs with almond, oat, or coconut milk instead of soy. This helps your body absorb all the protein, biotin, and choline in your eggs. Number 3. Eggs with tea. Especially black or green tea. It might feel comforting to have tea and eggs together in the morning, but this habit may be stealing important minerals from your body. Black and green teas are high in tannins, plant compounds that attach to minerals like iron and calcium, both of which are found in eggs. This is especially important for older adults, as iron is essential for energy and brain function. Calcium is essential for strong bones, a steady heart rhythm, and proper muscle movement. When you have tea alongside eggs, tannins can reduce your body's ability to absorb these nutrients, which may increase the chances of fatigue, anemia, fragile bones, and even memory decline. Better option. If you enjoy tea, there is no need to give it up. Simply wait 30 to 60 minutes after eating, or choose herbal teas such as chamomile, peppermint, or rooibos. They are calming and will not block nutrient absorption. Now for some good news: 3 food pairings that can actually increase the benefits of eggs. Number 1. Eggs with pumpkin. Yes, pumpkin. It might not be a usual pairing, but it is a powerful nutritional match. Pumpkin is high in beta-carotene, which your body turns into vitamin A, vital for eye health, immune support, and healthy skin. Just 1 serving can provide double your daily vitamin A requirement. Eggs supply lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 strong antioxidants that build up in the retina and shield your eyes from blue light and UV rays. Together, they help protect vision long-term, lower the risk of macular degeneration, and can even improve mental focus. Serving tip: Try roasted pumpkin cubes with soft-boiled eggs, or blend cooked pumpkin into a soup and top it with poached eggs for a vision-friendly meal. Number 2. Eggs with cheese. This well-loved combination does more than taste good. Eggs are rich in vitamin D, which helps your body absorb calcium, but they contain only a small amount of calcium themselves. Cheese provides a strong supply of calcium needed for healthy bones, muscle function, and nerve signals. When eaten together, eggs and cheese work in harmony, helping your body store and use both nutrients better. For older adults, this means stronger bones, improved balance, and a lower risk of fractures or osteoporosis. Pro tip: choose cheeses like cheddar, Gouda, or Parmesan, some of which also contain natural probiotics that support digestion and lower inflammation. A veggie omelet with a sprinkle of cheese or baked egg muffins can make an excellent bone-strengthening breakfast. Number 3. Eggs with apples. This might surprise you, but apples are a great digestive partner for eggs. Eggs are filling and rich in protein, but can feel heavy on the stomach for some older adults. Apples contain pectin, a type of soluble fiber that supports digestion and keeps it regular. They also slow sugar absorption, helping to avoid energy drops, and their high vitamin C content helps your body take in more iron from eggs, boosting stamina, immunity, and mental alertness. Try adding apple slices to a spinach salad with boiled eggs, or enjoy a sliced apple alongside your morning eggs. Now let's move on to cooking methods, because how you prepare eggs greatly affects their health value. The wrong technique can remove nutrients or add harmful compounds. Here are the 4 healthiest ways to cook them. Soft-boiled. Cook for around 6 minutes, enough to set the whites while keeping the yolk soft. This helps preserve delicate nutrients like choline and lutein, important for brain and liver health. Steamed. Place eggs in a steamer basket for 10 to 12 minutes. This gentle method avoids added oils and keeps nutrients intact. Poached. Drop eggs into gently simmering water for 3 to 5 minutes. This keeps them light, easy to digest, and full of vitamins, great for heart health. Low-heat scrambled. Cook slowly with a splash of water or almond milk. Avoid high heat, which damages protein and lowers vitamin B12 levels. Stay away from frying eggs in vegetable oils or margarine at high heat, as this can create oxidized cholesterol and inflammatory byproducts. If you must use oil, opt for extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, or ghee for safer cooking. To recap, avoid pairing eggs with white bread, soy-based foods, and black or green tea in the same meal. Instead, go for nutrient-rich combinations. Combinations to remember: eggs with pumpkin for vision and energy, eggs with cheese for stronger bones, and eggs with apples for better digestion and improved iron absorption. Use healthy cooking techniques such as steaming, poaching, soft boiling, or low-heat scrambling. Making these small daily changes can bring noticeable long-term benefits to your digestion, energy levels, memory, and overall health. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with someone you care about. Also, let me know in the comments which egg pairing or cooking method will you try first. I would be happy to read your thoughts and help you stay healthy and strong, one smart choice at a time. Thank you for watching. Take good care of your health, and I will see you in the next video. Stay well, old as gold family.